Today I'm working on a 150 horsepower Johnson Ocean Runner boat motor. And the customer complaint is that when you shift into reverse, it makes a grinding noise and doesn't have a lot of power in reverse. Now, we've already rattled around the propeller with it in reverse, and it doesn't sound like anything's broke. It just sounds like the gears are barely touching each other. They're just barely catching. Makes that clicking noise. So the first thing we need to do is, with either a flathead screwdriver or a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to take this screw right out here, and then you're going to take this cover off. This is a 10 millimeter bolt. You're going to take it off. You cannot adjust these without removing this. This locks them in place. The top will adjust the reverse. The bottom will adjust forward. And of course, you have to get them adjusted just right to where when it's in gear, the prop won't move either way. There's no major slack in it. And then when it's in reverse, it spins freely. It's not catching anything. Once you have that adjusted forward and backwards that way, and neutral set just fine, then you've got it set perfectly. Remember, the top is reverse, the bottom is forward, and after you've made the adjustment, you'll have to line this back up and put this back on, bolt that down, and then just put your cover back on and tighten the screw. Simple as that. Take you about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.